you guys having the problem of your Instagram notes missing? Then you have come to the right video. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your app is up to date. Go to Play Store, search for Instagram. Make sure you see open here instead of updated. After you do that, open settings. Under the apps, tap Instagram, go to storage and clear the cache. So go back again. Alright, open your Instagram. Check if the notes are showing. If it's not, then we only have one option. Go to your profile, tap the street bar icon, go to settings. Under here tap help and go to report a problem. Press report a problem and here you will write, my Instagram notes are not showing, please update it, thanks. And once you're done, tap send and then you are good to go. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Do not forget to like and subscribe.